Hello, good morning and good evening. Can you hear me? Tabassum, can you please confirm?
I can hear you.
Okay then. Sorry, actually today has some power problem in Bangalore, so I'm joining from the power backup. So that's why it delayed 15 minutes. Okay, sorry for the delay actually. Okay. I hope everybody's joined us demos. Means what is the IDQ and all the things we have discussed in the demo session. So I can able to see Vibhas and Tabassum, and who is one more person? What is his name? Okay, Rakesh. Yeah. Okay, sir. So officially class started yesterday, but yesterday we did not discuss anything because of some technical issues. So from starting today, the class is starting from today. So we will see what is IDQ and all the things we will see step by step means from 0 to 100% we will reach. So if we have any questions, either is a valid or invalid, a small or big question, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, immediately you can ask the question, we will discuss, no issues. Okay, so then I'm going to start the session for today. Okay, so IDQ is the one of the Informatica Corporation flavor. We have many tools in the Informatica Corporation. These are all the tools related to maybe data securities or data integrations or data management or data governance or data quality. So part of data quality, we have one tool under Informatica Corporation that is called as IDQ. IDQ, Informatica Data Quality, the main intention of IDQ is measuring the quality of the data. Just it is measuring the quality of the data, how much quality is there, whatever that is coming from the source, how much quality is there. And improving the quality of the data, improvement is identifying the quality of that data is the 20% or 30% or 40%. Based on that, it is improving the quality of the data. So these two main intentions of IDQ. Okay. So before going to IDQ main sessions, we have small information. What is IDQ? I have prepared one slide. Informatica data quality, it will provide powerful analysis and powerful cleansing and powerful matching. So even Informatica Power Center also we can do analysis, we can do cleansing, we can do matching. But what is the specialization in IDQ means? By using IDQ, we can able to perform powerful analysis with the help of profiling. We have one concept that is called as data profiling. This is the automated process. It is the automated process for data analysis. So by using this concept, we can able to do the analysis for data either column level analysis or row level row level or field by field, string by string, character by character, and data set by data set level. So these are the directions we can able to perform the analysis by using profiling. So that's why data quality providing powerful analysis. Next one is cleansing activities. Even Informatica Power Center also can provide the cleansing activities, data cleansing activities. But here we can able to see the cleansing in the sense data consistency. The data is following the consistency or not, it will check. If it is not following the consistency, it can provide the data consistency. Data conformity, it will check the data conformity. Data accuracy, it will check the data accuracy. These are coming under data standardization. These are coming under data standardization. It can provide the powerful cleansing to maintaining the data standardization to eliminate the data standardization issues. Next one is powerful matching. What is powerful matching? In IDQ, I can able to identify the duplicate records by string comparison, right? Wherever string to string, for example, ID is 1, name is Venkat, location is Bangalore. Same record, 1 Venkat, Bangalore. Then Power Center will say this is a duplicate record. This is a duplicate record. Means here we have only one way to identify the duplicates, like only the string comparison duplicates only. But my customer is asking, duplicates means string comparison, that is also duplicate. Wherever the strings are common or strings are same, delete those records. Okay, those are the duplicates. IDQ will delete. As well as wherever the terminology pronunciation, how we are pronouncing the word, if the pronunciation of word both are the same, those are also duplicate and delete. Pronunciation. Word pronunciation, based on the word pronunciation also, IDQ can able to delete the duplicate records. Word pronunciation. Next one is based on the characters in the word, like vowels, based on the vowel sound, how the vowel sound is coming. Based on the vowel sound, if the two words are having the same sound, it will delete. Means not only entire word, the initial letters of the words, if are the same, it will thinking is a duplicate record and it will delete. So not only string comparison, the duplicate records is identified. Duplicate records is identifying based on the string comparison, based on the pronunciation, based on the vowel sound. Example, what is pronunciation? For example, Venkat. This is the pronunciation, string comparison, duplicate. Then what's the pronunciation? No. Both are the pronunciation is the same. In that case, this is also duplicate records based on the pronunciation, how we are pronouncing the words. Example, new. So if the customer is asking based on the sound also I want to delete the duplicate records, means IDQ can able to perform. Otherwise means here simply we can say whatever the power center is doing, IDQ is having more features to delete the duplicate records to maintain the uniqueness, data uniqueness. Okay, sir. So IDQ is providing the powerful analysis, is providing the powerful cleansing, it's providing the powerful matching. Same way, in IDQ, we have one important concept that is called as exception handling. Exceptional handling. In Informatica Power Center, we don't have this mechanism. We have the mechanism that is called as error handling mechanism, but that is a manual process. It is a manual process. But in IDQ, we have the concept exceptional handling. This is the automated process. This is the automated process by using some task like human task. By using a human task, we can able to automate the exceptional handling process. This is is very good feature in the IDQ. This is one of the important feature in IDQ, exceptional handling. And by using IDQ, we can able to generate the small reports, those called as scorecarding. Actually, in Informatica, one of the product of Informatica that is called as IIR. Same IIR also can able to generate the reports, but it is a failed version. Actually, this is a failed product. Now maximum 90% of the people are not using, still 10% of the people are using the product called as IIR. Same feature is available in IDQ, that is called as scorecarding. We can able to generate, we can able to display the data in a form of graphical representation. Data presentation in the form of graphical mode. This is one of the important feature in the scorecarding in the IDQ, that is data representation, graphical data representation. And monitoring. Here we have to give the high priority for monitoring. Actually, monitoring means not only checking the status of the loads. That is also one of the thing. Means like load status we can able to see. Load status, and wherever you want you can review the data immediately. Review as well as preview, both are available. Preview the data. And important thing is, in the Informatica Power Center or any other tool, the steps are: first development is completed, then created the session, then starting the unit testing. Means the entire development is completed, create the session, create the workflow, then starting the unit testing step by step. But in IDQ, there is no separate phase for unit testing. During the development only, unit testing also going. During the development only, unit testing also taking care. Means here, okay, development started. I have added one transformation. Just assume I have added one transformation. Immediately in the transformation I have written 2-3 logics. Immediately I can check the transformation was working or not. Directly right click on the transformation, right click, preview the data. How it is transferring the data. Immediately there only we can check all the fields are coming as expected or not. My coding is my codes, my logics are working or not. It is like a debugger in Informatica Power Center. But even debugger also we are running after the mapping, totally end-to-end mapping is created, then only we are running the debugger. But here, still mapping is not completed, just started. This is the first transmission I have added. The first transmission only, how it is transferring the data. Immediately we can check the output. Immediately we can monitor the result for the transmission. Yes, the transmission is working fine. Then go for second transmission. Check again. Yes, second transmission is working fine. Then go for third. Like during the development only we are checking the unit testing immediately. Unit testing performing unit testing. Once development is completed means unit testing also completed. Guys, any questions here? Saket, Tabusum, Vibhas, or Rakesh, anybody please? Any questions?
Venkat, what is load status? Like, you are meant to say monitor? Monitoring of
Yes,
the load?
load status means like I have run the mapping or I have run the workflow. Then I want to see the load is failed, or load is succeeded, or load is terminated, or load is suspended, load is scheduled, or load is unscheduled. Okay, what is the statuses? We have many statuses. If you want to see the status, or if you want to check the logs, okay, if you want to check the any notes, all the things we can able to see in the monitor window, load status. Okay, and review the data. We can able to review the data. We can able to preview the data, and we can able to like here also in the monitor window also we can able to perform one type of profiling that is called as midstream profiling. We will see this is a one type of profiling. Midstream profiling also we can able to perform. Okay, sir. Here load status we can see, sir. Load status we can see, as well as load statistics also. Status as well as statistics. How many records extracted from the source? How many records as input? How many records as output? That is depends on our strategies. Whatever the strategies means, whatever the logics we are implementing in the transformation level, the statistics are depends. So what is IDQ? What IDQ is doing, the question, what IDQ is doing means the high level information. IDQ is the providing powerful data analysis, data cleansing, data matching, exceptional handling, and duplicates eliminations by string comparison, by pronunciation, by vowel sound, and reporting and monitoring. These are the high level features of IDQ. And why all these activities? The main goal, main intention is providing the data quality for overall domain wise, overall business wise data quality. Okay, sir. So now we have I have added one slide just to note that we have some definitions given by some of the people like Lara Avench. He is a manager of master data governance. What she is saying, data quality, this is the definition. Data quality is something that we have struggled with for several years. So this is the whatever I have highlighted. This is the one of the definition. Actually, just try to understand. This is not that much important. The definitions are not that much important. Okay, sir. Actually, we can say why. What is the importance of this data quality? Just I am giving one example. Then maybe we can able to understand. If you know the one of the biggest retailer in the world is, who is the biggest retailer domain in the retail domain? Who is the biggest retailer?
Walmart.
Yes, exactly correct. The Walmart. In 2009, the Walmart people are acquired some businesses. Around 9 businesses they people acquired. At that time, the people decided, just see like, just this is one of the example, one of the initiative why the data quality is improved market, is increased the market means that Walmart people are acquired some businesses in the 2009. At that time, the people decided to invite all our valid customers for inauguration function. It happens actually, really it happens. So at that time, the people invited all their customers by spending for each invitation cost is $1. Then how the people invited means, we have Walmart Enterprise Data Warehouse. We have Walmart Enterprise Data Warehouse. By using in the Enterprise Data Warehouse, the people having the one dimension, that is address dimension. All the customer addresses are available. All the customer addresses are available. So by using this address dimension, the people are sent the invitations to the customers. Around the people sent the invitations are 7.5 million customers. So the budget cost, each invitation $1, then the budget cost is $7.5 million. And what happened? Out of $7.5 million, 4 million invitations are returned back. Returns. 4 million are returns. Why the invitations are returned? Reasons are invalid address, or incomplete address, or duplicate address. Address is expired. Like these are the only reasons. Then Walmart is questioning the integration tools. Walmart has given the means it has raised one question for all the integration tools. We have around 170 tools in the market. You people are transferring the data into data warehouses. We are spending a lot of money for maintenance and support and development. Then finally, whenever I want to use the data is not useful. Then what is the purpose of maintaining data warehouses? What is the use of maintaining this data? If no quality, means the one example address point of view. If address is invalid or incomplete or duplicate, if no value of this data, then what's the purpose of maintaining the data warehouse? So the people asking the question, I want to maintaining the data with qualified environment. The word qualified environment. So every enterprise customer, every enterprise data warehouse, the common dimension is address dimension, a customer dimension. So these details are providing the customers. Third party person is not the business person. He is not the software person. He is the end user. So end user is providing the information, but I'm not sure he is giving the correct information or not. Webas is giving the address. Simply has given Webas Bangalore. In Bangalore, many Webases are there. I don't know who is from, where he is staying. I want the full address. Webas Bangalore, no, actually he's from Chennai, but he's giving the wrong address. But I'm not sure whether the customers are providing the correct information or wrong information. How can I make sure the address are available in the data warehouse? Those are 100% correct addresses, the 100% complete addresses, the 100% validated addresses. How can I make sure? So we have 170 plus tools. Sorry, we have 28 tools in the market for quality measurements, quality metrics for data quality, but no tool have no answer for this. Only one tool, IDQ. IDQ only can able to verifying your addresses. What address is provided by Tabassum is correct or not? What address is provided by Saket, that is a complete address or not? What address is provided by Webas, that is the valid address or not? IDQ can able to verify, validate address validation. That is one of the important feature of IDQ, that is address validation. In the demonstration itself, we have discussed one of the important feature in the IDQ, why the IDQ stands in the market as a #1 leader, because of address validation feature. So this just I am giving one example, like we have many features in IDQ for data validation. Yes, how it is saying, how it is validating the data. First it is measuring the data quality first. Means what is the data quality, how much quality you have coming from source. Is 100% qualified, then no need to do any changes. If it is 90% qualified, even now no need to change any changes. If the quality of the data is 70% only, then we have to make the changes to improve the data quality. IDQ has main two activities. One is the measuring the data quality, measuring the quality of the data, and second one is the improving the quality of the data. First part, measuring the quality of the data, how it is measuring. For example, I am traveling from Mumbai to Bangalore. Then how many kilometers? Kilometers is a measurement, 1000 kilometers. How much time? 100 hours. Hours is a measurement. How much cost? $10. Dollar is the measurement. Currency is a measurement. How much weight? 700 kilos. Kilogram, milligram is the measurement. Milliliters, measurement. Then how can I measure the data? What are the data quality measurements? So we have some data quality measurements. By using those data quality measurements, we have to measure the data quality of the data. So we have to understand what is the data quality measurements. So this is the one slide we have. These are the data quality assessment to analyze your data, how much quality of my data. By using these measurements, data quality measurements are data quality blocks. By using these measurements, we can say the data quality, the data is 100% or 90% or 70%. So what are the measurements as part of IDQ? Completeness, data completeness is the one of the measurement. Data conformity is the one measurement. Data consistency is one measurement. Data accuracy is one measurement. And data duplicates. And last one is address validity. Address validity is the measurement for only IDQ. Remaining completeness, conformity, consistency, accuracy, and duplicates. These are all for all other tools also. Other tools also maintaining the same measurements. But the IDQ is having another extra measurement that is called as address validity. Just 2 minutes before we have discussed. Okay, we will see very clearly in future. Okay, now we will see one by one what is completeness, what is conformity, what is the consistency. As a data quality developer, we should understand the data quality measurements. Okay, so before going to data quality measurements, anybody having any questions, please? Saket, do you have any question? Are you able to follow me?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for confirmation. Okay, so now 1 second, what is, now we will see step by step what is completeness. For example, this is my source. Just assume this is my source. In the source, based on my requirement, whatever the information is required for me, that information should be available or not. For example, here in this file, address 1, address 2, address 3. Address 1 is required, address 2, address 3 is the optional. Maybe some people will provide, some people will not provide. In that case, I can't say this is incomplete information. Information is required as per the business requirement. Whatever the information is required, the entire information is available or not. For example, I am going to tax department. In that case, salary details, my PAN number details are important. If you are not providing those informations, then tax department is saying it is the incomplete information. This is the incomplete information. If you are going to any another company for interview purpose, the people are asking your biodata, like what's your full name, what's your PAN number, okay, what's your previous company details. But the people will not ask all these details, whatever the delivery address was, all these details the people will not ask, because that is not required for them. Wherever the information is required, the people are highlighting in the red color, means that is that information is required. If the information is not available in the data level, whatever the information is required for the business needs, then we can say the data is the incomplete data. For example, here I have one field that is the customer ID field. That is a unique ID actually. That is a unique ID. This field is required for all the people. If this is having null values, then I can say if there is a customer ID, means how can I recognize who is this customer? By name I can't recognize, because with the same name multiple people are there. I can't identify the exact person. So I have one unique field that is a customer ID. If the customer ID is incomplete, then I can say the data of quality is not good. Okay, so that is meaning of completeness. Completeness means every column wise we have to check how much the information is complete or how much percentage of the data is incomplete. We have to check every field wise, we have to check. For example, in this PPT, I will share this PPT, no worries sir. In this PPT, just I have prepared one Excel sheet. Okay, in even real time also, whenever we are doing the profiling, we have to prepare this type of information. Okay, so this is one my source. In the source, I have around 30 plus 40 plus fields are there. The first field is WM number. Okay, this is the product number. Product number is required for analysis purpose or business purpose. Product number is required. It should not be empty. It should not be null value. Then total I have 7,015 records are there. Out of 7,015 records, null values are 0, means 100% complete. The field is 100% complete because this is the star. This is the star, important information, important required. Second one is WM individual name. That is also important. It is also required. 100% completeness. Okay. This is not, there is no star. There is a account risk code. Maybe, may not be. So it is a 0%. Nobody not provided this information. This is optional. And it is not case, no matter is the data is there or not, because the priority for this field is very low priority. In that case, no worries. I'm not worrying about this field. So like that, based on the importance of fields, we have to identify the percentage of null percentage, how much, completeness percentage, how much. If completeness percentage is greater than 90%, this is also good data only. For example, this record, This record is address line 5. That is maybe, may not be, right? So only 2% people only provided the line 5. But address line 1 is very important. Line 1 and line 2 is important. If there is no line 1 means that is not the address, right? See, 99.95% people have provided the line 1 address. Then this is a good only. Line 2 also good only. Remaining are the optionals. These three are the optionals. Maybe, may not be. So like that, yeah, based on the business needs, the information is available or not. No business expecting 100% information, sir. Nobody expecting 100% quality. The people are giving the some thresholds, like if the quality is greater than 90, then okay, this is the good data. If the quality is less than 90 and 2 greater than 80, then acceptable. This is the data is acceptable. Means we are accepting, still we can do some changes to improve the quality, maybe 70%. If the quality is less than 70, no, I don't want this data, unacceptable data. I don't want this data at all because I can't make the changes and all the things. I can't improve the quality for this type of data. Like here we have to understand what is the data is coming under good, what is the data is coming under acceptable or non-acceptable. Based on that, we have to generate one report that is called, as already we discussed, that is called as score coding. That is called as score coding. So this is the first measurement of data quality, that is called as data completeness. What is the data completeness? Just I have given one note, one single line word, whether key fields are populated or not. Example, address line, street, region, phone numbers, customer ID, identification numbers. Wherever the lines are, the fields are highlighted as important, those all fields should be populated with data. That is called as completeness. So completeness point of view, data is good or bad. That is, we have to do analysis. We have to identify the null percentages. Based on the null percentages, we can say is a good or bad. Next one is second parameter, second measurement of data quality, that is called as conformity. Conformity. What is the meaning of conformity means? We have many companies. We have many software companies are there. But all these software companies should follow some standards. Whether the people are interested or not interested, we have to follow. That's it. What are those standards? Who will provide these standards means we have an organization that is called as ISO, International Standard Organization. The organization name called as ISO. ISO is providing some standards for each company. Those are the common for all the companies. Sorry. Those are the common for all the companies. Then we have to follow the ISO standards for data standardization. As per the ISO standard, any country name or any city name, state name should be 2 characters, like US, Illinois, Michigan, right? California, New Jersey, New York. These are the ISO standards. As per the ISO standard, the country name or state name should be like this. So every company should follow the same standard. This is not the company own standards. These are the every company should follow these high level external standards provided by ISO. If you are not following, then data is not good. So here the data, we have to check the patterns. All countries are coming in the 2-character pattern or not. All the states are coming under the 2-character patterns or not. Any date format we have to follow MMDDYY pattern. So ISO is saying we are following or not. Any gender column we have to follow capital M or capital F. The gender for column is coming as expected or not. So the data should be maintaining the ISO standards. Then we have to check it is following or not. Okay, are you clear? Are you people clear what is ISO standards? Means what is the data conformity? Data conformity means the data should follow the external standards, those provided by ISO. Whatever the ISO is provided, those standards we have to follow. Conformity. Next one is, yes, I'm Venkat, working for Infosys Technologies. Some people are saying, yes, working for Infosys Software Solutions. Some people are saying, working for Infosys Consultancy Services. Some people are saying, working for Infosys Technology Limited. Then Infosys is saying, our company, our logo, our RMDM is Infosys Technologies, not limited, not consultancy, not services. Means we have to follow our own standards. Wherever you are mentioning the company name, it should be Infosys Technologies. All the people timings 9 to 5, all the people dress code, all the people working style. The people has given some induction whenever you are joining the company. The people will give the induction. What is that induction means? That is the process and procedures of company. What the company following standards, internal standards. These are the company level standards. As an employee, you have to follow the company level standards. That is called as consistency. Conformity and consistency both are belongs to standards only, but conformity belongs to ISO external standards. Consistency belongs to internal organization level standards. The data is following organizational standards or not. Yes, data is following the ISO standards as well as enterprise standards also should follow. If the data is not following the enterprise standards, then that is not maintaining consistency. So first, before we will see some sample data for conformity. Conformity means ISO standards. What are the ISO standards? What happened? So conformity, we will see the sample data for conformity. See, for example, we are using our mobile numbers or landline numbers. Landline numbers for India, the standard is 000 STD code, then dash, then land number. Mobile numbers 10 numbers. So here numbers are representing by 9 and characters are representing by A. For example, I want to see my name. What is the pattern? Venkat. Pattern is A. Okay, like all the numbers are representing by 9s. For example, number 1 representing by 9, 1 2 representing by 99, 1 2 3 representing by 999, 1 2 3 4 representing by 9 power of 4, 1 2 3 4 5 representing by 9 power of 5. So till 3 numbers it is writing as a 99999. From 4th number onwards power of power of power of. Same way A representing by A only character, AB representing by AA, ABC representing by AAA, ABCD representing by A power of 4. So now my name is Venkat Malluri. How can I represent the pattern? The pattern is representing by A power of 6, Venkat 6 characters, A power of 6, space means B, small b, sorry, small b, and again A power of 6. Means all the names are coming in this pattern or not. So now Indian postal code is 9 power of 6. Every Indian postal code is 6 digits only. If anyone record is coming with 9 power of 5, that is a wrong. Country is the India, but postal code is 9 power of 5 means there's a wrong postal code, wrong information. Landline numbers like 999 space 9 power of 6 means my landline is 080 382212. So this pattern I am representing this way, 999-9 power of 6. So wherever the India, all the landline numbers are same pattern or different patterns. So we are identifying like that. That is, we are creating the pattern first. For example, here CDM rental postal code. This is the pattern actually for Germany country. German country pattern is, this is the pattern, 9 power of 5. But 95% people are giving the correct information only. But remaining some people are giving like this, these are the wrong patterns. So this pattern was a number, example number is 10115, pattern is like this. For example, if you see our PAN card, what is our PAN card pattern? PAN card pattern is, my PAN card pattern is A power of 5, 9 power of 4, A. For example, ARQPM6270K. This is my PAN card number. 5 characters, 4 digits, 1 character. This is all Indian PAN card pattern. This is the pattern. This is provided by ISO. This is not my own company or this is not my own patterns. So whatever the patterns or whatever the styles provided by ISO standards, we have to, the data is following the ISO standards or not.
Venkat,
Yes.
can we stop in another 5 minutes? I have to go for start for office.
Okay, I will take another 5 minutes. Sorry. Okay, till 8:40 we will discuss. Okay, is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Only for today only. Okay, because I started lateness, so that's what I don't want to. Okay. Next one is consistency. The consistency means we are following the internal standards or not company internal standards. So my company logo like this, my company dress code, my company timings, my company working style, my company employees should be like this. Those are the organization level data standards. The data is following or not, we have to check. If the data is following the ISO standards, then conformity point of view 100% good. The data is following the enterprise wide standards, then consistency point of view data looks good. Then next one is accuracy. What is the meaning of accuracy means? We have unique numbers for as Indian government, that is Aadhaar number. But some people are saying both people are having the same Aadhaar number. One person, two PAN card numbers, or two people are having same Aadhaar numbers. Then where is that accuracy? There is no accuracy. Today I have ordered one product in Flipkart. Currently I am in Bangalore Whitefield. My address is Bangalore Whitefield. Next month I moved to Chennai. Then I have added one more address, Chennai address. But again I have ordered one more product, but I did not give the current address. Then the Flipkart people are saying, customer Venkat ordered one mobile, but addresses are two. One person, two addresses. Which is the valid, which is invalid is not mentioned. Which is the live, which is expired is not mentioned. There is no accuracy in the data, whatever you are providing. Means the data is giving confusion. Data is giving confusion. In that case, we can say data is not maintaining the part of accuracy. If you are doing any validations, the data should be matched with exact, the mapping of data mapping is very, very important. If you are not mapping the data properly, one person ID is mapped to another person, or another person name is mapped to this ID, then that is a wrong. There is no accuracy in the data. Next one is duplicates. Next one is duplicates. I have 100 transactions. Total transactions are 100,000 transactions. The worth is 1 lakh rupees. But data warehouse data is loaded. Total amount is 1,01,000 rupees. 1,01,000 rupees. And how come my source amount is 1 lakh, but how can you say 1,01,000? Then what are the total transactions? Means 1,001 transactions. Then one transaction is duplicated somewhere. One transaction is duplicated somewhere. If the data, at least one record is duplicated, that is impacting the entire business statistics, right? So whatever the data we are providing, the data should be uniqueness, no duplicates. Maybe chances for redundancy. I'm not talking about data redundancy. I'm talking about data duplicateness. If the data is having the duplicates, how can I exactly provide the measures? We can't provide the measures exactly. Is it clear what is duplicates? Next one is address validity. Next one is, I can say, address validity. This is a slide I have given for this is accuracy point of view. See, some people, same employee is having the different addresses, or same address is having for multiple employees. There is also confusion, data confusion. Different types of issues I have attached. Okay, one scenario is explaining one issue. Okay, we will see that all these things we can see. I will share this PPT. You can able to go through. Next one is address validity. Already I told what our addresses are coming from the data. Those are the completed address or not. Those are the validated or not. Those are the live addresses are live, and address is available or not. No. The name Tabassum, but there is no address. Then IDQ will provide the full address. Debus from Bangalore, incomplete address. IDQ will provide the complete address. Means IDQ is validating the address. IDQ is enriching the address. IDQ is providing the address. These are the three activities can do by IDQ. This is also one of the measurement of data quality. So by using these measurements or dimensions or metrics like completeness, data conformity, data consistency, data accuracy, data duplicates, and data address validity. These are the data quality measurements or data quality blocks or data quality metrics. So for today's session, anybody having any questions, please let me know. We will discuss. Vibhas, please, you can drop, no issues. Others people having any questions or any concerns, please, if I am going slow or if I am going very fast, if your people are not able to follow me, or if your people are expecting more examples with more explanation, please let me know. No issues. I'm always welcome to take the either negative or positive concerns. Tabassum, you want to say something?
Yeah, I was just gonna ask if you have like a schedule on which day you cover what in what sequence.
Okay, exactly. Tabusum, I don't have that plan actually because schedule. Okay, if you want to go me as a for schedule, if you are asking any extra questions or anything, it will be the impact. Okay, I have my own plan, but exactly this topic is this much time. I don't have that like this topic data quality measurements 10 minutes only. I have to close within 10 minutes. No, it is not. It is very difficult. But I have the order of concepts, which is the first, which is the next, which is the next, which is the next. I have the order. I am following the same order for explanation point of view. But
Okay.
exact schedule, sorry, because in that session, four people will ask many questions, right? So in that case, our schedule will disturb. But the thing is, Tabusum, don't worry. At the end of the day, whatever you are expecting, all the concepts I will cover, and whatever you are expecting from me, maximum I will provide more than your expectations.
Yeah, right. I mean, I just wanted to be able to pick which classes I attend. I mean, I'm especially, from the developer side, I had many things to learn. I have earlier attended a 2-day Informatica IDQ course, so they did cover a lot of Informatica analyst. So I was just wondering, I'm going on vacation, so if on days you are covering that, then I don't miss anything. I
No
just was
issues,
trying to.
no issues, no issues, Tabasam. If you are going somewhere, if you are going on the leave, then next day or before day, Sir Venkat, tomorrow what you are explaining, surely I will tell you. Or Sir, what you explained last 2 days, I will give you the videos. The people will share the videos for missing classes. Okay. So, okay, every class I will say today we are discussing this topic, and before closing I will say tomorrow we are going to discussing this topic. Okay, so tomorrow we are starting to discuss about the data profiling concepts from tomorrow onwards. Okay, data profiling, it will take hardly 4 hours. It will take the data profiling because it's an important phase. So 4 hours it will take data profiling concepts. Is it okay, Tabasum?
Yeah, I mean, are you going to do any hands-on stuff too, or is it mostly theory?
No, for today only the theory. From tomorrow onwards, we have to do the starting hands-on. When started the profiling, we have to do the profiling by using some sample data. So the people, Tek Classes people will give the access to IDQ. The people will give the access. Okay, already I kept some data there. Whatever the files I'm using for my classroom purpose, same data I kept there. So you can do the same practice, same analysis, same operations we can perform to identifying the issues as part of data assessment. So from tomorrow onwards, it will start the data profiling mechanism.
Okay. Can we just use, like I have access to 10.1 environment. Can I use 10.1 to follow along your class?
10.1 you have using access means there's a power center, right?
No, IDQ.
Okay. In your laptop or in server you are saying 10.1?
Server. So I don't have the access to any admin components or anything, but I have Informatica developer and analyst, metadata manager and everything. So we use 10.1.
Okay, in the means in the Tek Classes server it is available. I'm
No,
not
no, no,
aware
no.
that.
Through my company, I'm saying. So I would
Yeah,
rather
that's what
follow
you are
along
saying to your
that.
company, right? But your
Yeah.
company one, actually, I don't have the 10.1 in my systems or in my servers. Still, we are using the 9.6.1 only. So
can
that's what, yes, tell me.
Can I just take your files and follow along here in the different
Yes,
environment?
yes, yes. If you want, I can share the files. I will upload into Google Drive. Okay, I will upload
Yeah,
to
that would
Google
be
Drive. They will
nice.
give
Yeah.
you access. You can do practice it with your system. No issues. That is troublesome. You can do practice it with your system. If any questions, Saturday, Sunday, I am free. Okay. No worries. Anybody, please. Anybody, please. If you have any questions, Saturday, Sunday, we will meet and we will discuss. Okay. No worries.
And if I'm stuck on any mapping and all, I could possibly share my screen and that you can help along.
Okay. Sure. No issues. No issues.
No, I'm just asking how do we work that out? Like.
means because in that case we have to join from your laptop, office laptop. Then I will give you the presenter. I will make you as a presenter. Then you can share your desktop. Then we can see what is issue and all the things we will see.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe I can run this Go meeting from my office laptop and share
Yes,
that. Yeah.
just try. Just try. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for, yeah, Saket or Rakesh or Vibhas, anybody have any questions? If no questions, we can wind up the session for today. Tomorrow same, sorry, actually today is late, but tomorrow short in as per the schedule time we will meet. Saket, any questions? Okay, thank you, Saket. Okay, then thanks, Rakesh. Have a nice day. Have a nice sleep. Thank you.
Thank you.